How to take notes on Obsidian. Hi there, today we will be learning about how to take notes using this platform. Obsidian is a application that you can download into your computer so that you will be able to organize and conceptualize your ideas using this note-taking platform. So you can simply go to your browser and search for Obsidian, and then you can simply download this through your Windows, or if you do have Mac, Linux, or any device that you have, you can also add this as well in your device or desktop. So when you go to the website, you can just simply click on Get Obsidian for Windows, and then you will be able to download that, and it will run as an application. And this is how it would look like once it has been fully installed into your device. So once you have completed the download, what you can do here is that when you open Obsidian, what you can do first is to create a vault. Vault is another term for folder. It's just the term they Obsidian used for their platform. So here what you can do is either you can create new vault, you can open a folder as vault, or you can even sync it into your Obsidian cloud. So here when you click on create a new vault, you need to create your vault name first, and then you will also need to browse for the location on where you want the vault or the folder to be saved once there will be details or informations on it already. So as you can see here, when I created a new vault, it will show up here on our desktop since this is where I saved the vault or the folder. So I can just refresh my desktop here, and then later on it will show here as the file name that we named when we created the new vault in Obsidian. And there you can see that I named it the ocean. So the topic more or less will be about ocean. So when we go to Obsidian, you can see that the vault name is also the ocean. So what we will do here is that on this icon here, the first item on the up top left panel of the screen, you will see that there is a note icon. That is what you will click so that you will be able to create a new note here on Obsidian. So first thing, you need to input the title, and then you can input the contents of your idea. So for example, you are currently doing research about marine life or anything that would relate into the ocean that you would like to incorporate into your research. So here what you can do actually is that when you, for example, there is a part of your research that you want to get more ideas about it, what you can do is you can simply click on that word, and then on your keyboard just click on the left bracket twice, and then it will highlight into a purple icon. So as you can see, when you click on bracket twice, you can enclose it with the right bracket twice as well, and then it will be underlined and it will link you to another note into your account. So for example, when you highlight this page here and then just click on bracket and bracket on both ends of a phrase or the word, and then when you click on enter, that phrase or the word will be highlighted or will be colored purple. When you click on it, it will automatically create a new note for you. So here it created a new note for you. So for example, you will be having a few ideas as well for this topic or the phrase that you highlighted on the first topic that we created. What you can do is that you can create more links if you think that is an important idea so that your research will improve. So what you can do here is that you can simply click or highlight the word And then you can simply put bracket or double bracket on both ends of that phrase and then hit an enter. So when you click on enter, it automatically highlights each phrases. So when you click on it, it will be highlighted as a lighter purple. So which means that specific phrase is already part of another note that you created, so that you will be able to go in deeper with the research that you are creating, so that you have more ideas about your research. So you also have another option here. So for example, you want to link this topic into the other existing topics that you have. What you can do is you can simply type in double brackets, and then Obsidian will automatically provide you the options for the existing notes that you have. So you can simply add it into your notes as well. So what you can do here is that when you click on environmental, or as you wrote a few details about the health of the planet, there are three factors that you have found out about: environmental, social, and economic factors that would affect the health of our planet. So this would actually be an ideas that you can dig deeper in how you will be able to improve or help your research to be more effective using Obsidian. So it's actually a very good tool, since it allows you to easily look into your research and the topic that you have, and you can easily connect each notes or each specific subtopics that you have in your research or in your folder or the vault that we create here on notes. So for example, here what we will do is that we will be connecting these informations into other topics. So for example, preservation of the environment connects to the health of the planet. So we can also incorporate the word or the phrase health of the planet. And as you can see here, when you click on the graph view rather on the tool bar here on the left side of the tool or application, you will be able to view the graph or a dots on how these informations are connected. So for example, for economic factors, you can, let's say you have this topic here, and then if you want to connect this to the other similar topics, you can incorporate those titles of your notes into your topics, so that when you go into the graph view, you'll be able to see easily, or you will be able to connect those topics easily, so that you will have more ideas. It's either you will be able to find a resolution for this, or you will be able to create a new idea for your research. So here, when you look into the graph view, you can see that economic factors are connected with environmental and social, but all of these topics surrounding the health of the planet is related to all of them. So all of these informations are being, or is narrowed down into one source of the topic, which is the health of the planet, which it would definitely affect the other, or it's actually branching out from the main topic that you have, so that you will have a lot of topics that you can look into, and you will be able to view, or you have a lot of perspectives for that specific topic that you have, not only one but a lot. So here, when you go into your folder as you saved on your desktop, you'll be able to see, when you click on the ocean, you will be able to see that there are the notes that we have under a empty file. So when you click on it, you can either open it with any note application that you have. Like for Windows, you have Notepad, and you also have notes for your um, iOS device or your MacBook. So that's basically how you will be able to use Obsidian for taking notes for your research or any thing that would definitely help you think clearly as well. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.